It right now. It started.
Hey Andy, I didn't break the Windows build this week.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, we need like this many days since last Windows build breakage sign somewhere.
That'd be pretty funny, actually.
Okay, so let's get started.
So I'm just capturing the note for the LWN
Okay.
just so that people are aware of us doing it.
So the first item on the agenda is stale GitHub PRs. I didn't add this item, but we might as well look through the PRs, I figure. What do y'all think?
Yeah, is that you, Andy, who added it, or you don't know either?
Nope, wasn't me.
Okay.
Here, I'll share my screen real quick and we can
Yeah.
let's
look at. I think I closed one while just checking that the whole Gitbox integration worked.
Okay.
I knocked it down by one.
All right. So here are the
too bad
current PRs in the Apache Mesos repo. Oldest is from 2015. Looks like we have, we have a good half dozen from 2016, 17. Oh, and this is from an old Docathon.
Did we not commit it? I thought we committed.
There was a small change. Yeah, we can make that happen. There was a small change we wanted that I think we were stuck on.
Some of these ones, when I'm doing these merges, I would just fix it on the way in.
Yeah, I guess that's what we should do.
It's depending on the contributor, it can be a lot easier just to fix it than to kind of try to get them to do it.
Does GitHub allow you to do that sort of thing, or do you have to do it?
You just do it manually. I just do a manual merge in the traditional way.
Like you just get the patch into your local repo and then change it and push it, not through GitHub, basically.
Yeah, exactly. And do the this closes number PR.
Yeah.
You can do it on GitHub nowadays. They made it so that there's an option when a PR is open to make it editable by the maintainers, which lets the maintainer push back to the branch it came from. So you could then still do like the GitHub merge, but I mean, both ways work. And they would have had to be aware of that.
Okay, cool. Is that a setting that you know if that's set on the repo itself for every PR, or?
It is a setting. I don't know if we have it set. Let me see.
Well, I'm guessing this CMake docs PR can be closed.
That's tail.
I believe so. Yeah, we have a bunch of CMake docs now. And this was a little beginner's doc before we had any others, I think.
What year was that?
It's from 2016.
Oh, yeah, we did get docs in since.
Yeah, so maybe just close it saying.
Yeah, so there are a few. I don't know if we want to go through these now, but I suspect that a bunch of these can be closed.
Look at stuff that looks stale. Anything that looks stale, we can close.
Okay.
Here, I shared the link on allowing pull request branches in a fork to be changed. I think it does need to be turned on by both the repo maintainer and when the pull request is made. So these old ones aren't going to have it, but it's an option nowadays.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, reviewer doesn't allow you to do that either. So GitHub does now. Suppressed boost auto pointer compile warnings.
This isn't going to merge, and you shouldn't suppress it by making them system headers, and I think we fixed that. So we can close this.
And do you want to close it, Andy?
Yeah, 3932 there, or
Yeah, it's
104.
104.
104.
Yeah, if you could comment and close that, that would be great.
Do I have access to close these now? I might.
You should have synced your Apache account with GitHub account and all that. Have you done that?
I did that. I just never got the Mesos stuff. Like, yeah, I'm in Apache the org and Mesos the org, and I did like the ID, the GitHub Apache Software Foundation integration. But is there another step?
I think that's, and you put your stuff inside.
Oh, sorry, never mind. I can close. I can't rebase and merge because it won't merge.
Right. So you can close it now? Yeah. Okay. Documentation, what?
Yeah, this looks stale. It was an attempt to reorganize the documentation, which we have reorganized since then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that icon next to the preview yours, Greg?
I'm sorry?
That icon next to preview.
Oh, yep. That's me. Can't you tell?
It looks exactly like you. I was like surprised. Like both on the left and right, except the hat is missing, I guess.
Adding support for S390X. Huh. I mean, I'm guessing this can be closed.
Yeah, it looks stale. I don't even know if you're supporting S390X. At some point, I think we were running something in the CI, but I think I've since deleted the job. No one was owning it. Clarify existence of framework ID and subscribe calls.
Oh, hey, it's from Aaron.
Documentation only.
Is it still mergeable? Or it looks like Anand had some comments.
He was just going to review.
Why don't you assign it to me? I'll take a look. I think there's a reviewers up top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
Ensure Coral is on Ubuntu.
Oh, something from, email replies also get shown here. Interesting.
Fails at container launch time rather than initialization of the agent. I wonder if that's still an issue.
Can you send this to Alex maybe?
Yeah.
See. I think it's rooklets all.
So this is a funny one because I know at least in the CMake build, we check if there's curl during the configuration. So this might just be an auto tools only thing.
Or we do it during even installation time.
This is more a runtime thing, right? So
Oh, yeah, you could build it and then move your binaries.
Yeah.
True.
that's the common case, right? Because normally you build it and then you take your build and you install it everywhere.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Update module doc,
Yeah, that's.
2015.
Oh, is this just documentation? Oh, I see. Interesting.
Merge it.
Yeah, so like you need to have a dash C there. Oh, it needs to be rebased.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you try that? Oh, it cannot be rebased, it says. Okay.
Yeah, I think you'd have to do it manually and resolve. I don't know the state of that documentation currently. Yeah. May still be relevant.
I can just comment saying, still want to get this in, can you rebase?
Okay, I mean, I'm guessing that's, I'm guessing they're not going to be involved at this point.
Yeah, I guess we can also close this too and say, if you want this to be landed, please reopen it. Please rebase it, basically.
It's kind of our bad that we didn't get to that pull request in time, or really any of these.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, I think that, yeah, that's something that like here at Mesosphere, our on-call ostensibly should be helping to look at this. I think in practice that doesn't happen too often. I don't know if we want to come up with some kind of community rotation or something, or we could just spend time in this meeting going over them regularly. I don't know.
Hey, this is as good as meeting as any. I think I tried once to get like a committers meeting to do this kind of thing, like reviews, but nobody seemed really interested.
Indeed, you did.
So let's make it this meeting.
CNI.
So it looks like there's a review in favor of this. So is that review closed? Yep. Okay.
Interesting.
So I can close this.
And these curl examples. Yeah, that I think I agree with James. We should probably just.
Wait, how do you guys know Nathan Handler?
He wasn't he working at Yelp?
Yeah, he was from Yelp. I know him from Hack Illinois. Weird small dev community.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I think he's still at Yelp.
I think so.
He came to a Dockathon and did this, but we never ended up finishing it. So I think we should probably just
it looks approved. Let's merge it
on the way in. Well, there was one small change that we were talking about. It has all these EOFs that we could get rid of, or I don't know, we could just merge it and fix it later if we want.
Can you ping him once to see if he wants to do it? And otherwise, we will just do it ourselves.
Oh yeah, this guy. Oh, have created another PR with that. Okay. Don't understand why that's there.
Looks like we can merge this.
Yeah.
I think with these ones, there was some. I remember there's a little back and forth about whether we should link to things that cost money.
Yeah.
I guess my view on that was it's fine if people make money, if people sell things based on the Mesos ecosystem, then that still seems like a net win, but maybe we shouldn't officially endorse it. So I think that's why there was like this slightly extra this training materials or something.
Yeah, it looks like there was one just before that was kind of very similar, I thought, in that PR.
Yeah, they have we've added stuff from this person before, maybe just once. Or from this organization, I guess.
Yeah, it's like a publisher, some kind of boutique.
Yeah, I mean, we linked to books that cost money, so...
Yeah.
But I thought that I had some recollection that there was a section that we added or talked about adding a section for training materials.
Huh. Looks like it's just with everything else here right now. Oh, Apache Mesa's training. Okay. So I guess we have that. So shall I just merge this one?
Yeah, looks like it.
Where is it? I can't find it on the docs. I can't actually find a link on the docs.
Huh. Let's see. Videos and slides of Mesos presentations. Oh, it's just kind of...
Oh, it's this crazy little link at the end of the presentations.
It's not properly formatted for web viewing.
Yeah, this looks kind of...
Yeah, it's right down the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's merge it.
Yeah. Okay, well that gets us into the current year anyway. Do you guys want to keep going through some more of these or move on for now? What do you think?
Can I see what is the fixed test flags thing?
Oh, I got this. This is someone from Microsoft.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So can you request Andy's review there on the right?
There's a libarchive one just above this as well. Maybe that's, is that something, I think those patches landed, right? Or something like it did.
Yeah, libarchive landed a little while ago. I think this was just so we could review it. We can close that one too.
Fall expose new metrics for memory usage.
This was like an actual bug fix or attempted. There's no ticket associated or anything. Huh.
Okay, so I just ping him. Seems like it's been almost 3 months. Tasks docs, what's that?
We could assign it to Ben.
Oh, I have a vague, I feel like I remember this person being on Slack or something and asking about when this filtering got implemented.
And what was Ben saying?
He was saying that we removed that documentation entirely.
Remove
Okay.
these docs entirely. Oh, he was adding it to the generator docs, I guess.
Yeah. Endpoints. Yeah.
All right. Okay, we can close this then.
I mean, I don't think we have version documentation yet, so we still haven't quite solved the problem they were trying to address. But
Yeah.
we're working on it.
Do a stop if container is not killed. Okay, that seems like something, some critical bug. No one worked on it.
Python framework.
Oh,
Okay.
did we fix that? This is
Huh.
import error.
Yeah, import errors in Python. I mean, sadly, I don't know anything about the.
Can you assign this to till?
Yeah, sure.
I think we made it. Yeah, the native was a change that was made a long while ago. We split the Python library into.
There's a bunch of Jiras around this from back in the day when I think I tried to build this stuff. There's issues about it. Basically, doesn't get installed in the site path or somewhere where Python expects it to be installed. So
Right.
there's probably Jiras which are very similar to this problem.
Okay. Yeah, I think there's something that we should be able to close pretty quickly. Actually, Python is not something that we actively maintain. People still use it.
Oh, from JDF. Is this just documentation? Oh, no. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I think I responded to him.
Yeah, I'll comment on this one.
Is it asking still relevant? Can you close this? It's from Twitter, folks. Okay, I can ask him.
It sounds like they were going to move this to review board.
Yeah, can you look into that ticket number, Mesos 9102?
Yeah. Mesos 9102.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I still have it.
So I guess we can. Oh, the PR is.
That's the PR that we're looking at. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can ask him. I'll plan to send a review out and close this instead.
I'm going to drop off, but thanks everybody. Bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
James. Bye.
I think we triaged all of them.
Did you guys look at the top one from Mengju? The boost one? It looks fine to me. I would just want to test it. That guy's a Mesosphere guy. I love it. And it looks like they just shrunk down the boost bundle. We should probably get it in. It just needs to go through CI.
Yeah. It's probably... Okay, can you ping Meng on this? Like, is he waiting for someone to review it or someone to land this? Mengzu GitHub. All right, I think we triaged all of this. Good.
Nice.
We got
Nice.
from 20 down to 10. Okay, 50%. Not too bad.
Not bad. Okay.
So you can take a note there. Close 10 out of 20 PRs.
Okay.
Testathon, I don't know who put it.
I don't know. That was something we had kind of talked about in the past. I'm not sure who added it to the agenda, but
I think the idea was we want to try to get the CI to green, right? By going over some flaky tasks together in a group for like a whole day and just working in pairs and trying to plan that stuff.
yeah, I think
we need to schedule it, I guess.
yeah. I mean, I don't know. We could even just do like an hour or 2 hours.
But I suspect some of these are really complicated tests that
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know
true.
if
That's true. I mean, I think maybe one of the reasons this came up is that we had some meeting where we, as a group, just spent like half an hour triaging a few bugs, and actually made decent progress. So we could totally have like an all day or like half day testathon and really dig into some stuff.
Yeah, maybe we can do this as part of hackathon. I don't know, for MesosCon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and have a hackathon a day before. Maybe part of the group could just work on fixing bugs, tests. What do you think about that, Andy?
I mean, it's always a good idea to fix tests. So +1.
You think we should be doing this at the hackathon?
Yeah, I mean, people are always looking for stuff to do at the hackathon. If we incentivize them to fix tests, that's not a bad idea.
Okay. Yeah, let's maybe bring that up in the MesosCon agenda meeting next time. When we meet, I guess, later this week, probably.
Speaking of MesosCon, did we officially extend the deadline in a week?
I think I did not see an email.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Didn't
Right.
either.
Yeah, I think we should remind. I guess they're waiting for the review, the survey result close for the location, I guess.
Yeah, that might be the case.
Before they extend the date and extend the location, change the location both. Probably want to do it at the same time. But we can ping Gaston and Jorg, maybe here in the doc, to say, hey, did we officially extend the date? Or waiting for the survey result for location?
How do I assign it to somebody?
What you're doing there, right, was good. Comment and just do an @
Oh, just tag them. Oh, okay. I thought there was a separate one to like assign it to someone.
I think once you add them, then there's an option below.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool. All right. Something else you got in MesosCon?
I don't think so. I'm glad I'm glad we're considering moving it to San Francisco. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. I think hopefully more people can attend that way. We'll see. Hopefully it won't stop some people from attending. Because it's not in New York, we'll see. I think especially for the first time user, contributed conference, user organized conference, I think Bear is probably a better venue, I'd say.
Yeah, this is where most of the
Yeah, most of the
OGs are
committers and
already headed.
contributors are. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. I think we had a good session today. Made
Yeah.
some good progress on the PRs especially.
Yeah, that was great. We should just do that semi-regularly in this meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here. Do you guys have any thoughts for next time? Anything we should discuss in the community working group? People we should reach out to talk about? Anything in particular? No.
Not on top of my head right now. But the next one is probably go, yeah. Yeah, I don't have anything
Okay.
at this point.
No worries. Well, I guess we can probably end it there.
Yep, cool. Thanks, Greg. Thanks for running this.
Yeah. Thanks for joining, guys.
Thanks, guys.
See you, Andy.
See you
Bye.
later.